Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're going to talk about the door frame. How you need to do the door is you need to cut one long piece to go down the side on each side. And you need to cut one long piece to go down the middle. Okay? You're going to glue this piece first, then you're going to glue these two on here. Then you're going to clamp them in place at various locations so that you can hold them in place. Okay, make sure you're not using balsa wood because balsa wood will ruin when you put the clamps on it. You want to use something hard and sturdy. I'm actually use 7-inch coffee stirring sticks, which are really cheap if you buy them on the internet. You can get 1,000 of them for like 13 bucks. Okay, and they actually have the rounded end like this, but they work out perfect because they're just a little taller than the door, which gives you enough to take and cut some off. All right. So you can leave it just like that, but because I did not have the longer ones in the skinny version of it, I did two, but I don't like that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and clip this or glue this right here in place. And then that's going to finish up that doorway. Okay, so to glue that in place, you can use a little bit of Elmer's wood glue. I'm using the Wood Glue Max because I just like how it goes on. It seems to have a better hold than the regular Elmer's glue. I don't know why, but it does, and I like it. So that's the glue that I would prefer if I was buying something, but that does not necessarily mean that you need to do that. You can use whatever you have. Okay, so now I'm going to do the same thing to this side, and then I'm going to show you how to wedge it. Alright, so now you want to cut a piece that's just a little bit longer than what you need for the doorway. So like you want to cut it there, and then you want to mark it and cut it just a smidge bit longer. And then once you do, you just want to kind of put that in there and wedge it in place to hold that to where it does not pop back out. All right, and then let that sit for about a half hour and it should be dry, and then you have a nice doorway. And that's it. Like and subscribe, leave a question, suggestion, or comment below, and we will see you in the next video. All the printables for the flooring and the wall and everything you can find on my dollhousetutorials.com page under the 50s Diner or Storybook Cottage. All right, thanks a lot. Have a wonderful day.